Hi students, recently there is a news related to fair and remunerative price FRP. We know minimum support price. Similar to that, there is a new article related to fair and remunerative price. Let us understand what is it and why it is in news. So sugarcane farmers in Haryana sat on a dharna outside the sugar mills across the state recently for kickoffing the agitations, and also here they are asking for the seeking the hike in the crop support price. So let us understand fair and remunerative price. So what is it? Actually, fair and remunerative price is a minimum price at which a rate a sugar cane is to be purchased by sugar mills from the farmers, and also who will determine it. FRP is fixed by the union government. Remember, very important. So, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs (CCEA) on the basis of the recommendation of Commission for Agriculture Costs and Prices (CACT). What are all the rules of FRP? The FRP of a sugarcane is determined by Sugarcane Control Order 1966. The methodology it is used to determine it is recommended that FRP is arrived at a taking into account the various factors: cost of production, demand, supply situation, domestic and international prices, and intercropping prices parity. Based on all these methods, they actually calculate this FRP. And also, what is the benefits of this FRP? FRP assures a margin to farmers irrespective of whether a sugar mill generate a profit or not, which means with respect to the farmer's perspective, it will be helping beyond the profit or loss of a sugar mill. And also, this will be uniformly applicable all over the country. Besides FRP, in some states such as Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, UP, TN announce a state advised price which is generally higher than the FRP. This is what a news and important issue related to FRP present to it. Very important. Remember this FRP is related to sugarcane farmers and sugarcane cultivations, and also this is also similar to the MSP, that is a minimum support price. This article is related to economic and agriculture concepts. So very important for your examinations. Kindly remember it. And also for more updates, stay tuned. This is me, SPR, signing off. Have a nice day.